There's a noticeable difference between making coffee at home and creating a cafe experience that actually feels worth slowing down for. And once you experience that difference consistently, it changes your expectations completely. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine BES870XL in brushed stainless steel, one of the most respected all-in-one espresso machines for home users who want genuine specialty coffee without stepping into the complexity or cost of commercial equipment. If you've been considering upgrading from basic coffee makers or entry-level espresso machines, this is exactly the kind of product that deserves your attention. And if you'd like to check pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. The Barista Express is designed for people who care about freshness, control, and long-term ownership value. What makes it especially relevant is how it combines a high-quality espresso machine with an integrated conical burr grinder, allowing users to go from whole beans to espresso in under a minute. That level of convenience, paired with real espresso capability, is a major reason why this machine continues to stand out in a crowded category. Reason 1. Fresh grinding creates better espresso. One of the most important factors in espresso quality is freshness, and Breville addresses that directly with its integrated precision conical burr grinder. Grinding on demand into the portafilter preserves aroma, flavor complexity, and crema quality far better than pre-ground coffee. The adjustable grind size dial also gives users the flexibility to fine-tune extraction based on different bean types and roast profiles. In daily use, that control makes the machine feel far more premium and customizable than many competitors in this price range. Reason 2. Balanced extraction and consistency. The Barista Express uses low-pressure pre-infusion combined with digital PID temperature control to create more stable and even extraction. In practical terms, that means espresso shots taste smoother, more balanced, and less bitter. These technical features are not simply marketing additions. They genuinely improve consistency from cup to cup, especially for users learning the craft of espresso at home. Reason 3. Excellent milk texturing capability. For cappuccino and latte drinkers, the steam wand performance matters just as much as the espresso itself. The manual microfoam steam wand on the Barista Express allows users to create a silky milk texture suitable for latte art while also improving overall drink texture and sweetness. It adds a more authentic cafe-style experience that many automatic machines struggle to replicate convincingly. Reason 4. Thoughtful all-in-one design. The ownership experience here feels very refined. From the stainless steel finish to the grinding cradle and included accessories, the machine is clearly designed for long-term daily use. Breville also includes practical tools like the razor dose trimming tool, stainless steel milk jug, cleaning tools, filter baskets, and an integrated tamper, making the setup feel complete right out of the box. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the Barista Express has built a strong reputation among home coffee enthusiasts who value reliability and consistency over trends. Reason 5. Strong long-term value. While this machine represents a higher initial investment compared to standard coffee makers, it can quickly justify itself for regular coffee drinkers. The ability to create specialty cafe-style drinks at home not only improves convenience, but can also reduce long-term cafe spending significantly. More importantly, it encourages a deeper appreciation for coffee quality and brewing control. Overall, the Breville Barista Express remains one of the strongest choices for home espresso enthusiasts who want a balance of performance, usability, and craftsmanship. It does require some learning and experimentation, particularly with grind settings and milk texturing, but that hands-on experience is also part of what makes the machine rewarding to own. This is best suited for coffee lovers who want cafe-quality espresso at home without stepping into professional-level complexity. It delivers excellent consistency, meaningful customization, and a premium daily experience that continues to hold its value over time. If you've been waiting for an espresso machine that feels genuinely capable rather than simply convenient, the Barista Express is absolutely worth serious consideration. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence, and if this review helped you make a more informed decision, you'll find the link in the description below.